Hey guys, so we're about to do a quick installation of a Cobra 4x4 Gen2 Aluminium Roof Rack for the Y62. Now if you got the rails, have a look at this. I'll just show you how to quickly get them off. Yeah, so you need a screwdriver and something to protect your car. As soon as you get your screwdriver in, you can lift it. All right guys, so I've figured out what it is. So you make sure what you do is you unclip that there and then you just got to slide it out that way. Now let's do the middle one. You can see from there. That one's easy. And we'll do the last one, the front. Okay, that was much easier. Guys, this should just pop off. Oh, there you go. All right, guys. So this is the best part. When we add the bracket onto the holes, we just need a bit of silicone. All right, guys. So this is very important. The silicone. You might notice the screws in here. You might want to try to reuse them, but they're just a little bit too long. So make sure you use the ones supplied from the supplier. And here we go. So you've got these rubbers. What these are going to do is obviously it's going to seal, and where you have two holes, you've got to put two. But I think what I'm going to do is get a bit of silicone. Just do the same thing for all of them. The next part is getting these screws onto the backbone. Just make sure it all lines up nicely. Oh yeah, that's perfect. As soon as you got one in, I think the rest should be a lot easier. A smart idea would be to add a little bit of silicone on the actual screws, just like so. So when you put it in, it goes right on. Alright guys, if you want to make your life easy, just get yourself one of these. There you go. Perfect. There you have it guys. Cobra 4x4 bracket for the Gen2 rack. Have a look at that. Let's just have a look at it. So I've already put the other side on before. All right guys, so we have just placed the platform onto the brackets. We haven't screwed it in yet, and that's what we are about to do. All right guys, so we've just lined up 4 of the channel nuts, or the T-bolts, whatever you want to call them. 4 on this side, 4 on the other side. There's 2 channels from under. We lined it up on the inside channel. All right. That's all you got to do, and then just get your nut and get your washer and stick that on. Now just do it all hand tight first, so that's done. Now you might see that from this installation, we've added the backbone bracket things on first, and then we've added the platform. I reckon that's the easiest way to do it, rather than doing the roof rack and the backbones together and then putting it on, because then it's hard to get your hands in there and all the tools. So I think this way would probably be the best way. So once this is on, so I've got to do that. Now I've got them all hand tight at the moment. Now the great thing about this, guys, you can actually move this rack back, forward, and see how we've got a sunroof with this. I'm still not sure if you open the sunroof if it touches these, but if it does, it's not a problem because you can actually remove these. You can adjust them. I can make just a gap just enough for the sunroof to open up to. So it's a very versatile rack. And yeah, so I'll just tighten the other side and then it should be done. All right guys, so everything's finished up. I just want to show you one more thing. So these here, if you add these into the channels, All right, this is a really cool feature that comes included in the package. And then you got these tie down points. These channels, if you don't want water and stuff getting in there and building up, you can just put them in there. It just gives it like a nicer finish. Very easy to put on, you just put them in there. Now, to be honest, I'm not gonna put it on. I don't think there's a problem with water sitting in there. And that's about it, guys. And I'm gonna take this off because I don't know if you've got a Y62, you know how high these cars are already. I want to still be able to get into underground car parks, so I'm just gonna remove that and just add it on whenever I need it. Very nice, low profile. It's got the a wind deflector as well. So that wind deflector is perfect for those that just don't want to hear all that noise, the wind noise. And there you have it. So guys, yeah, thanks a lot. And that's how you install a Y62 Cobra 4x4 Gen 2 roof rack. See you guys.